Hello guys, you're welcome once again in this video, and in this video we are going to talk about cross progression. And as you can see, cross progression is really trending. Yeah, and today I'm going to review a certain video for you guys to really understand how cross progression is really working. In fact, I mean it. Cross progression on Apex Legend is really working, and today I'm going to show you a proof. Yeah, I'm going to show you a proof. So watch the video from the beginning as you're watching to the end without skipping, and you are going to understand it and you are going to trust me. So let's divert into it. So as you can see, opening Apex, so cross progression is really working, and I can't believe this. I can't believe it. In fact, I really can't believe it. And see, just look, have a look. Cross progression is here. Let me tap on it for you to see. Let me tap on continue, and so it's really working, and I can't believe this. And I really know it's going to work for you also. So it's really loading, and oh my god, it has opened, bro. It has really opened. And let's try to make some settings to start playing the game, bro. This is so it's so amazing. So continue. Let's wait. It's loading. Ranked reward unlocked. All my rewards are in and my items are in. You've received an item, and look, the skin are also in. All my items, bro. My items are in. Skin are also in. Oh my god, this skin is working. This one is also working. Oh, I can really change skins, bro. And this is really unbelievable. It's really massively unbelievable. Wow, my items are in, bro. I believe you really understand this. And this video is brought to you by Princess on YouTube. I've leave her link, channel link in the description below. She made me know what is going on. She made me know everything. You get me? So you guys should follow her on YouTube. She's also a gamer on YouTube, and she has even uploaded tons of video about Apex. So guys, as you can see, all my skins are really working, items are working, and cross progression is really here and working perfectly. Oh my god, just have a look at this. Have a look at this. No, Princess, I really thank you. I thank you a lot. I really thank you, guys. I'm giving full credit to Princess. I'm giving full credit to Princess. This is so tough, and this is so massively unbelievable, bro. And I know this is gonna work for you guys. You that you're watching this video is gonna work for you. So try right now to update your Apex Legend game, and everything is gonna work for you successful. See, my items working, my skins working, everything is working as Princess said. And it's so tough, bro. It's so tough, and I can't believe this. See, everything is really working over here, and I can't believe it. Items are in. In fact, I'm really happy. In fact, I'm really happy. Princess, thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. I can't stop thanking you. This is unbelievable. This is really unbelievable. I'm really happy. I'm really happy today, bro. I'm really happy, and I can't, express my happiness with you guys. I can't express my happiness with you guys. I don't know how to express myself. I don't know how to even talk. I'm happy, overdosing happy, bro. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I cannot believe it. Am I sleeping on this dream? It seems I'm dreaming, bro. It seems I'm dreaming. So let's try to make up settings to play it right now for you guys to see how it's working. It's really working, and this update has made me feel like I'm in heaven. It has made me feel like I'm in heaven, bro. So let's start, bro. Oh my god, things changing. Things have changed. The game is really cool. See, I'm gonna get out. Boom. I'm gonna shoot them. Let me open up this. Let me check out the next one over here. Why is it? Let me go back. Okay, so let me check it over here. Oh my god. Okay, so that was, oh my god. Okay, so we're shooting. Oh my god. Let me climb it. The environment are also cool, bro. The environment is cool. Training bombs. I'm training bombs, shooting guns, bro. Training bombs and shooting guns, bro. Climbing this. Wow, shooting. Killing. We are not joking. Oh my god. Damn, bro. Oh my god. Everything is gonna work successfully. So as you can see, I'm really enjoying the game. I'm really playing this game. So this means that you also can do same, bro. You also can do some. Guys, enjoy this video, watch the video, share this video, let your friends know much about this. And always I give credit to Princess. I really thank Princess a lot. Princess, I really thank you. Princess, I really thank you. I can't even stop mentioning your name in this video. I give you most credit, bro. This is really tough. This is really working. It's really working. Cross progression is really working on Apex Legend, bro. Oh my god. So let me check out the room. You can change games. Items are all in. So this is the reason why I was telling you guys in the previous video that you guys shouldn't just link up your account or log in your account or sign in your account in any platform or in any website, or else you're gonna get your account lost. You're gonna lose your item. You see, this work perfectly as I told you. It's gonna come naturally. They were working on it. Sprout also posted it on Twitter and X about this cross progression project that they are planning of. See, it's really working tough, massively correct, and I really appreciate this. I really thank God that it's in, and we are going to enjoy this. We are going to feel it. We are going to make it happy. We are going to make it so tough, bro. And I really know and believe it's going to work for you. So you have to try it today. But please, if you have watched this video and if you really believe that this is going to happen, this is going to work for you also, tap on the subscribe button right now. I'm waiting for you. I'm giving me some few seconds. Tap on it. Just click on it. You're not going to pay anything. You're not going to charge anything. When you tap on mine, check the description below. You're going to find Princess. Yeah, Princess, channel link over there, or a video link also. I will link up the channel link and also the video link over there. Check it and also tap on the link to subscribe to her channel. Watch the video and you are going to be happy. We are going to bring you more updates and happiness in your face. You don't have to bother yourself watching channels, videos that are not working. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, it's really important. You get me? So you have to follow me for more updates like this. You have to follow me for more working tips like this, bro. I'm really happy. See how I'm playing the game. See how the game is really working, and I can't stop playing. Items are all in. Everything is working perfectly. It's working perfectly, and this update is so tough. It's so tough that I can't even, I can't even believe this. See, all my skins are working, items working, bombs, guns, everything is working. It's so perfectly, marvelously good, and it's so great. Shouts to the developers of Apex. Yeah, I give shouts to them. Shouts to the developers of Apex Legend, and I'm really happy and appreciative of what they are doing. I'm really happy of it, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have seen that Apex Legend cross progression is really in. They've updated it and it's working perfectly, and I know it's going to work for everybody. So we have to be patient, what you have to do is to first of all log into your account, check out your update. You have to check it whether you have been updated. If you are not, then update it. After updating it, just restart your phone and move on. After restarting your phone, everything is going to work. You're going to see your items in. Everything is going to work naturally as it was. Do you get me? So you have to do this right now, and you're going to enjoy it. And if yours is also working, please let me know in my comment section. Let me know in my comment section. Okay, let me know in my comment section if it's really working for you also. Yeah, thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. As I told you, just tap on it. You're not going to pay anything. It's free. Tap on the subscribe button to follow me for more updates, and also share the video to 10 people or 20 people if you can, to any platform like Facebook, Twitter, X, Instagram, websites, in the comment sections, and everywhere. Just spread it. Okay, thanks very much. So like the video also, and see you in the next one.